Ano na, miss? Hi, guys! Hi, guys! We are back! We have Sissy Bells. I-leave ko yung channel niya below, guys. Na-vlog na din siya. The link will be in the description box. And we have Danny Boy as usual. Okay! So, this video is going to be... I'm busy siya, besh. This is going to be a how well do they know... No! Who knows me better? Who knows me better? So, may mga questions ako, guys. Tapos, how do we do this? How will I know that you want to answer first? Or...
who wants to answer first?
Yeah.
We gotta,
What?
I don't know. We should say something or... who hits on the leg first?
Huh?
That's like the buzzer.
Who hits the leg first?
Your leg.
Okay. My leg! Okay,
Yeah.
sige. Ready? Okay, let's do this quickly.
No.
Ready?
Go.
Okay. Sige, ready? Oh, wait, don't
Nah.
hit me hard.
Whoever's quickest.
Okay.
Okay.
It will be hard.
Okay, test. Oh, again. Ay, don't hit me
Maybe
hard.
just a
guys.
tap. Or
Yeah, just a tap.
That's too slow.
Okay, ready? Do I have any allergies? So slow.
No.
You're too slow.
Wait, what's the consequence of this?
Huh?
Nothing.
No.
Oh, you have to think of a consequence. Whoever wins have to think of a consequence for the other person.
Nah, I'm not.
Okay. All right. You got 1 point. Keep mind of your score. You don't have to write it.
One.
One.
One for you.
Thanks, Sissy.
Okay, ready? Who is my best friend?
No one.
Me. There you go.
That's so unfair. Husbands are not included in...
I don't have a best
Yeah.
friend. I don't have a... No, he's my best friend.
No, you're the husband. It's a different thing.
I'll give you a point, Sissy. Okay.
Okay, 1-1.
1-1.
I have a best friend.
You
One
don't
more.
have a best friend.
Poor me. Okay, am I a dog person or a cat person?
Dog person. 2 points!
I would say neither.
No,
Well, if I have to choose, I'll
You say
choose
dog.
dog.
Yeah, you choose
Yeah.
dog.
You agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
What is my favorite color? You got it first. What? How are you looking at me?
1.
Nah, blue.
Wrong!
What's my favorite color?
I don't think you have a favorite color now, but before it was yellow.
Oh, she's right.
Okay.
Gotcha.
She's right. No, I don't.
What's Sissy? 3-1.
I don't have
3,
any
2, 1.
favorite
Oh
color.
my
we're
god.
gonna play
Are you
fir-
really the husband?
We're gonna play first to a certain number as well.
Okay.
So first to what?
I don't know. 10?
10. Alright. 10.
Okay. What do I normally do in my free time?
Edit.
Yes.
Of course.
Easy.
2, 3.
I'll show you that one. Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay, what's my favorite sport?
Basketball.
Badminton.
Basketball.
Badminton?
Good job, man. Basketball? What the
To
heck?
watch.
Too much.
No? Football.
Oh, okay.
You're
You're a changed person.
before he
It
changed
was
me.
part of the-
Before
part of the
she's
marriage.
supposed to watch. Okay.
It was in the prenuptial
It was.
agreement. No, we didn't have prenup.
We did.
No.
You want me to help you?
What is my favorite chips flavor? Okay. You.
Salt and vinegar.
What?
Salt and vinegar.
No.
It's cheese.
It's cheese.
I was actually thinking that as well.
Why are you so confident? As if you know.
Of course, I know.
4-2.
What do I like to drink when I go out at night?
Why are you going out at night?
I know the answer to this one.
At night, you mean nightclub?
No, I just
No,
want
not
dinner.
really. Just dinner or yeah.
Ah, lemon lime bitters.
Oh, yes! You got it.
I'm Good job. Level 11 bitters. Okay. No, you both should know this. It's just a matter of who hits my leg first. What is my shoe size? Ouch! I got it first, but that hurts.
5.
Yes, 5. Do you know that?
Yeah, I knew that one.
What is my zodiac sign? Okay, okay, you.
Pisces.
Are you serious?
Cancer.
Oh my god, what are you at this?
I don't know either.
Virgo?
You get it?
No.
Okay.
Libra.
What is it?
No.
What is it?
Dahil? Scorpio.
Okay,
Pisces? Who's Pisces?
that's mama.
That's mama.
Okay.
So 6-2.
60.
What is the first thing I do in the morning when I wake up?
Check your phone, YouTube.
No.
It did say.
Yeah. Pray. Yes.
Bullshit. I've never seen you. I've never seen you pray once in the morning.
Hey, not
Never.
on the side of the cross.
Never.
Because you're always asleep. I wake up earlier than you
Never.
every day.
Never.
That is so wrong.
I never. All right, 7-2.
Okay.
7.
Okay, here. What is the last thing I do before falling asleep?
Pray.
She prays all the time.
Pray.
You don't like this. Yes, I pray.
You pray.
So my score
Yeah,
is
that you know.
8-2.
Because
That's I believe that. That's right.
8-2. My goodness. 2 more. Oh my god.
So what's the score now?
8-2.
Alright, ready? I'm not sure if Sissy knows this, but she should. What was my favorite subject in school? Agay!
Science.
Okay.
Chemistry. Science.
Chemistry.
Oh, same thing. I want a point. That's a point.
Yeah, that's the point.
Give me a point.
That's a branch of science.
Alright, here. What was my least favorite subject?
Maths.
Okay, yeah, math.
Okay, you got 4-8.
Alright.
4 and I got 8.
Have I ever been a part of student government?
No.
I don't like that. She was.
Was she?
Yeah, what were you?
I'm very active.
She was actually like extracurricular activities. What were you, babe? Miss?
Babe.
What were you?
Not you, babe?
What were you? President?
Muse. No.
Relax.
Treasurer.
Ay,
Yeah.
sus.
She likes to spend money.
Treasurer in college and then in
College?
in
Nah.
college, but then in high school I forgot.
I didn't do anything.
I think
in
treasurer
college.
as well.
In high school?
Yeah.
Wow, she loves
Maybe.
to
I think so.
collect money.
Mhm.
Collect money and spend it.
What's the score, Sissy? 9?
9.
9.
9-4. 1 left.
1 left.
Have I ever failed a class?
No.
Yes.
You?
Yes.
Have failed a class?
I have.
I was gonna say yes to
Okay.
Oh no, I should have okay, nah. Yes, I have. I think it was elementary pa ako noon. Nung kakamove lang natin sa
Elementary?
nung kakamove pa lang natin sa city.
Ah, yeah.
Tapos naglaro. Nagka 74.
Ah, yan ba yung yung inaway ni mama yung teacher?
Hindi, uy. Over grade 1 yun. Ang galing-galing ko kaya ng talino-talino ko. Grade 1 ako, inaway ni mama yung teacher.
Grade
kasi,
1?
Yeah, when I was in grade 1.
Yeah.
No, I didn't fail in grade 1. But when I was in grade 1, my mom argued with my teacher because she didn't want me... Paano? Sige, explain.
Yes,
English.
your mum wanted you to stay down. They
Yeah,
go up.
because I think she was so little and she was 4 years old.
I was-
And then the rest, your classmates were 5 years old, and then the teacher doesn't want you to be in the class. I think so.
And
Because
your mom
I was too young, and then my mom got angry.
Mhm.
This was grade 1, so I was 5, and
The
the
rest-
others were 6. And I already graduated kindergarten, so my mom was like, she already graduated, so she's supposed to be in grade 1. And then the teacher was like, no, she's too little. Look at her. And she's like looking up on me. It's like, of course she will look up on you. I was like doing
Because
this.
you're tall.
Yeah. No, my mom was really angry. I was like, I will prove you wrong. So if she does good in class, she will stay. And I think she said, I will give you a week. I will give you, she will give me a week to perform. And my mom was so hands-on, like, what's this? Like the nang, like all the, like the reading. She was doing like placards. And she was doing this, like, what's this? Read. Like, I don't know. And I was so tired. And she was like,
That's why she was so intelligent.
I was so smart when I was young.
Smart when young.
Who's smarter now than you used to?
Me.
Yeah, she's really smart
Okay.
when she was young. I was not.
No,
smart.
she didn't know how
And
to
I
write.
do got classes and stuff.
She didn't know how to write.
I do know how to write.
No,
but-
your penmanship was so chaka. Yeah, she didn't know how to write. But no, you were writing on your left, and mom was like, "You're not a lefty, you're a righty." She was like,
Really?
yeah, you were trying to write on your left because your penmanship was so chaka. And then, are you a
Right, of
righty?
course.
Yeah, yeah. But when she was young, she was trying to write on her left, using her left hand. And mom was like, "Your penmanship was chaka." Anyway, yeah. So I did have good story. I think I was grade 5 when I had 74, and the passing grade is 75. But that was just first, di ba, my first grading, second, third. I think that was second grading, so it wasn't like the final. So I didn't really fail the final class, but whatever. Okay, what's the score now?
9-4.
9-4. So one more left for me.
Okay, who is my celebrity crush?
What was that?
I know it is.
I think I know.
Daniel
who it is.
Lapidia.
You have to say it right.
Nah, Daniel Lapadia.
Lapadya.
That's not even celebrity. That's our neighbor.
Lapadya. Daniel Padilla.
Yeah.
You got it, babe. What's the score now?
5-9.
5-9.
Hey, you have to. Fair.
Okay, where is my favorite travel destination?
New Zealand.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
We don't know anyone in New Zealand though, that's why we can't go there. We don't know who lives in New Zealand.
me.
Me. We never get invited to New Zealand.
No, I always invite
Never
them,
get
but they
invited.
won't go there.
Do I know how to pump my own gas?
Pump your own gas. Yeah, of course you do.
Yeah,
Yep,
I do.
Easy.
you win.
You win?
I
Is
win!
it 10 now?
It's 10.
Yeah,
Good job.
I win.
Mhm.
So what's my prize?
This.
You get to
No.
clean up.
That was
That's the
it.
winner.
You won.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I know you better.
She knows you better.
Guys, we did a video on her channel. I did her makeup. So if you guys want to watch that, I will leave the link below. I don't think we will upload it at the same time because she's slow.
I'm very
really
slow because I'm working.
I am as well. You can't make that as
I
an
have
excuse.
a more stressful job than yours.
Ah, nah.
That's what I say.
And I have
as
a
well.
life as well. I have friends. You don't.
I have friends. Anyway, I'm not sure which video will be up first, but I will leave her channel link in the description box.
Click the link down below.
Yeah, she's vlogging the whole trip as well, guys. So she will be.
Not really.
You're vlogging. You vlogged almost every day. Yeah. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one.
Bye.
Be good. Mwah.
Done.
Dun 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 dun.
That was good.